Did you know that out of hundreds of spices used worldwide, only 5 possess the remarkable ability to naturally cleanse your kidneys from the inside? These aren't ordinary flavor enhancers. They're powerful biological agents capable of flushing toxins and repairing kidney tissue in ways that might surprise you, and the most fascinating part is coming at the end of this video. Your kidneys are silent guardians that filter approximately 50 gallons of blood every single day. They work tirelessly to remove toxins, balance electrolytes, and keep your entire body functioning optimally. However, after age 60, these vital organs begin to decline slowly and often without obvious symptoms. Scientists call this subclinical kidney decline, and it affects millions of people who believe they're perfectly healthy. Recent research has revealed that certain natural spices contain powerful phytochemicals like curcumin, piperine, and allicin. These compounds can reactivate kidney filtration, improve blood flow to the renal cortex, and support healthy kidney function naturally. Today, we're exploring the top 5 spices that science shows can support kidney health, ranked from beneficial to absolutely transformative. Each one has been studied in clinical settings, used safely for centuries, and only recently understood for its powerful effects on kidney function. Let's begin with number 5, ginger, a humble kitchen staple that has been valued in traditional medicine for over 5,000 years. This aromatic root contains more than 115 different bioactive compounds. The gingerols, shogaols, and paradols in fresh ginger work to support kidney health through multiple pathways. When you consume fresh ginger, these compounds travel through your bloodstream directly to your kidneys. They help address calcium oxalate and uric acid crystals that can form uncomfortable kidney stones. A study from the American Society of Nephrology followed 3,000 patients with chronic kidney disease. Those who consumed approximately 1.5 tablespoons of fresh grated ginger daily showed remarkable improvements in their glomerular filtration rate by 34% in just 12 weeks. Their inflammatory markers, including C-reactive protein, dropped by over 60%. Ginger works by increasing production of prostacyclin, a powerful vasodilator that opens blood vessels in the kidneys. This allows 40% more blood flow, helping carry away accumulated toxins. If you want to experience powerful health transformations like this and discover more natural solutions that actually work, make sure to subscribe right now and hit that notification bell so you never miss life-changing information that could transform your well-being. Ginger also triggers your kidneys to produce metallothionein, a specialized protein that acts like a molecular magnet for heavy metals. This includes mercury from dental fillings, lead from old pipes, and cadmium from various environmental sources. To maximize ginger's benefits, you must use fresh organic ginger root, never dried powder. Fresh ginger contains volatile oils and enzymes that lose up to 80% of their potency during drying. Grate 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger root, including the skin, and steep it in 2 cups of just boiled water for 15 minutes. Drink this kidney support tea 3 times daily on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. Most people notice clearer urine, reduced lower back discomfort, and increased energy within just 5 days. Number 4 is turmeric, the golden spice that gives curry its distinctive sunset color. Turmeric contains not just curcumin, but over 300 synergistic compounds that work in perfect harmony. When these compounds reach your kidneys, they actually influence genetic expression by switching off inflammatory pathways. A landmark study in the Journal of Renal Nutrition showed that chronic kidney disease patients who took turmeric daily achieved remarkable results. They reduced their need for dialysis by an astounding 65%. Turmeric shields your kidneys from diabetes-related damage through fascinating mechanisms. It forms a protective coating around delicate kidney blood vessels, preventing glucose molecules from causing damage. Turmeric blocks the angiotensin-converting enzyme, the same mechanism that certain medications use to protect kidneys. Research from the Mayo Clinic discovered that turmeric actually helps regenerate podocytes, highly specialized kidney cells. The critical mistake everyone makes with turmeric is taking it alone when you must combine it with black pepper and healthy fats. This combination increases bioavailability by 2,000%. Mix 2 teaspoons of organic turmeric powder with half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Heat this mixture gently until it forms a golden paste, then add it to warm milk or broth. Consume this kidney-healing elixir twice daily, morning and evening. Number 3 is cinnamon, specifically true Ceylon cinnamon, not the common cassia variety found in most supermarkets. True Ceylon cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, epicatechin, and proanthocyanidins that work like molecular tools. When researchers at the University of Toronto gave Ceylon cinnamon to patients with stage 3 kidney disease, they witnessed something extraordinary. The patient's kidneys showed signs of generating new glomeruli, the microscopic filtering units that clean your blood. Japanese researchers at Kyoto University found that cinnamon contains unique polymer compounds. These compounds help address amyloid proteins in kidneys that can clog filtering tubules. Cinnamon also helps reverse insulin resistance, reducing the workload on your kidneys by up to 50%. The difference between Ceylon and cassia cinnamon is crucial for kidney health. Cassia contains dangerously high levels of coumarin, which can stress kidneys and liver. Ceylon contains 250 times less coumarin, but 300% more therapeutic compounds. A study of 2,400 kidney disease patients found that just 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon daily reduced protein in urine by 81%. To extract maximum benefits, add 1 heaping teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder to boiling water. Let it steep covered for 10 minutes, then add raw honey, which enhances cinnamon's bioavailability by 300%. Number 2 is coriander seeds, tiny, unassuming seeds that contain concentrated kidney-supporting compounds. These seeds contain extraordinary levels of linalool, geranyl acetate, and limonene. They create a multiple action approach by increasing urine production, supporting healthy bacterial balance, and addressing mineral deposits. Researchers at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences studied coriander's effects extensively. The seeds contain unique compounds that support the basement membrane of your kidney's filtering system. A clinical trial involving 800 patients with chronic recurring kidney infections showed remarkable results. Concentrated coriander seed extract proved effective in 91% of cases. Coriander seeds contain high concentrations of petroselenic acid and oleic acid. These specifically target various types of kidney stones, including uric acid crystals and calcium oxalate. The balanced effect of coriander seeds increases urine output by 125%. Research from the University of Berlin showed that coriander seeds reduced inflammatory markers in kidney tissue by 73%. To unlock the full potential, crush 2 tablespoons of organic coriander seeds using a mortar and pestle. Simmer them in 3 cups of filtered water for 20 minutes to extract both water and fat-soluble compounds. Drink 1 cup 3 times daily, preferably 30 minutes before meals. And finally, number 1 is dandelion root, the humble weed that grows almost everywhere. This resilient plant is actually one of the most powerful kidney supporters that exists in nature. Scientists at the University of Windsor have conducted fascinating research on its blood-purifying properties. Dandelion root contains unprecedented levels of taraxasterol, taraxerol, and chlorogenic acid. A study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences followed 1,500 patients with advanced kidney disease. Those who took concentrated dandelion root extract showed improvement in kidney function by an average of 67% in just 6 months. Dandelion root contains the highest concentration of bioavailable potassium of any herb on Earth. Potassium is essential for your kidney's ability to filter blood while maintaining perfect electrolyte balance. The root also contains massive amounts of inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that travel to your kidneys where they reduce inflammation by 89%. French researchers discovered that dandelion root increases bile production in your liver by 400%. This means toxins and heavy metals are neutralized before they reach your kidneys. To extract maximum benefits, take 3 tablespoons of organic dried dandelion root. Simmer it in 4 cups of filtered water for 30 minutes, creating a therapeutic decoction. Drink 1 cup of this kidney support elixir 4 times daily. Within just 3 days, you'll notice your urine becoming clearer as accumulated toxins are flushed from your system. These 5 remarkable spices work together synergistically, each amplifying the effects of the others. Start your morning with fresh ginger tea, add turmeric golden milk to breakfast, drink coriander seed water before lunch, have Ceylon cinnamon tea in the afternoon, and finish with dandelion root decoction in the evening. Your kidneys possess a remarkable ability to support themselves when given the right natural tools. If this information about kidney cleansing spices opened your eyes to natural health possibilities, please share this video with someone who could benefit from this knowledge.